Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of ETFs, you're probably wondering, SPY versus QQQ, which one is the better pick for 2025? Today, we're breaking it down step by step to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First, what exactly are these ETFs? SPY, or the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, tracks the S&P 500 index. This means it gives you exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies across various sectors like technology, healthcare, and finance. It's a great option for broad market diversification and has been a staple for long-term investors. On the flip side, QQQ is the Invesco QQQ Trust, which follows the Nasdaq 100 index. This ETF is all about growth and innovation, heavily weighted towards tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. If you're betting on the tech sector's continued dominance, QQQ could be your go-to. Now, let's compare their performance. Historically, QQQ has delivered higher returns, often outpacing SPY during bull markets with average annual gains of 15 to 20% over the past decade, compared to SPY's solid 10 to 12%. But here's the catch. QQQ is more volatile due to its tech focus, meaning it can swing wildly in uncertain times. When it comes to risk and diversification, SPY shines. It spreads your investment across multiple industries, making it less susceptible to a single sector's downturn, like a tech bubble burst. QQQ, however, is more concentrated, which could lead to bigger rewards or risks depending on market conditions. Fees are another key factor. Both are cost-effective, with SPY at a low 0.09% expense ratio and QQQ at around 0.20%. Not a huge difference, but every penny counts in the long run. Looking ahead to 2025, if tech innovation keeps surging, QQQ might edge out as the winner for aggressive investors. But for those seeking stability and a balanced portfolio, SPY could be the safer bet amid potential market fluctuations. Ultimately, the better ETF depends on your goals and risk tolerance. If you're all in on growth, pick QQQ. For steady, diversified growth, go with SPY. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more investment tips. What's your choice? Drop it in the comments below.